Hi, this video is all about why you can't make money online with affiliate marketing. Hey, Daniel P. Robertson here, and this channel is all about sharing my journey with you as I'm going about building my affiliate marketing business so we can learn and grow together. And why you can't make money with affiliate marketing? Well, you can't make money with affiliate marketing if you never start. You can't make money with affiliate marketing if you start but you keep stopping and then starting over again. You can't make money with affiliate marketing if you you're constantly chasing shiny objects, looking for the next thing that's going to help you, but you never actually take anything and implement what you learn. Right, because you get stuck in this trap. I know I'm preaching to the choir here, speaking for myself, speaking from my own experience, and what I've seen other people do is learn and consume information constantly, just consuming information, but never taking that information and really implementing it. Never really coming up with a strategy and then following through with that strategy in a consistent way. And that's really what stops so many people, including myself and so many other people, from the success. So what do you do about that? How do you change it? How do you go from consuming information to producing content? How do you go from not taking action, from chasing shiny objects, from just feeling frustrated and overwhelmed and never really getting anywhere, to actually taking the action? Well, what I'm doing right now is a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge, which seems kind of overwhelming, but at the same time, I think it's a good thing to go through, a good experience, a good practice, a good way to push myself to grow, to learn, to get better at this thing called video, to get better at producing content, to get better at coming up with ideas for content, to get better at speaking to the camera, developing my voice, all kinds of different things. So that's what I'm doing to grow, and I would encourage you to do something similar. It doesn't have to be a video, although video I think is very powerful for building a connection with an audience. It could be blog posts, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, Pinterest, it could be whatever it is, but it's going to take some things. It's going to take consistency, it's going to take time, you're going to have to take some time to learn the best practices, but again, don't get stuck in that trap of learning but never doing. Learn the best practices and implement them right away. And that's the trap that we so often fall into, because we start learning something and then you don't like it, it sounds too hard, or you try it for a little bit and if it's harder than you think it's going to be, and so you stop. And then maybe it's months of not doing anything, and then you start again, or you start something else, and you're just in this circle, and it's just a mess. And I know what that's like, and I'm trying to break out of it for myself, and I want to encourage you to do the same thing. So hopefully this video has inspired you a little bit. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.